Hello guys, this is DJ Dimaliuat. Thank you for watching in my channel, and I'm here to discuss the requirements for you to partner your truck with us in PTB, in our program, the Philippine Trucking Business. So as you all know, we're growing our fleet. We want more partners, even though humihina minsan during the pandemic. Again, the logistics business is still going up, whatever happens, especially pag natapos na itong pandemic na to, no? So we have different packages. I have my previous videos talking about that, but this video is, the purpose of this is to discuss with you the requirements and to give you the different options of the packages para mas clear. The requirements lang naman, simple lang. You gotta have your own truck. You buy your own truck, or we help you buy your own truck. Dapat sa inyo nakapangalan yung truck. So yun ang gusto natin. So that will be your protection. Whatever happens, no? Alam mo hindi ka na scam kasi sa'yo nakapangalan yung truck, di ba? And then you register your own business, whether in DTI or in SEC. Mas madali po pag DTI. So you gotta have your registered business name. We will be needing that in the LTFRB franchise registration. So kailangan rehistrado po yung negosyo nyo. And then of course you can avail of the partnership package. Later we will be discussing the different packages that we have here in our program. So aside from that, of course, after that, pag meron na yung tatlong yun, we can already start the process. And then while it's ongoing already, pag nakapirma na kayo, kasama na namin kayo, we expect you to do these things. No, you got to one of your responsibilities is to file your BIR taxes, to register your business permit with your local government, 'di ba? Every month 'yan or every year 'yan. Tapos nagbabayad din tayo ng taxes yearly or semi-annual, quarterly, ganon. Bukod yung BIR and yung local government. Diba? So kung meron ka ng negosyo, alam mo na yan. If this is the first time that you're having your own business, I'm telling you, may magkaibang tax yun, yung BIR and then yung local government. And then, primarily you are the one responsible in hiring your driver and helper. We will help you, pero sa dami na rin ng partners kung minsan at sabay-sabay kayong nawalan, we cannot guarantee na magkakaroon ka kaagad. Paano kung may trip ka, diba? May takbo yung truck mo, wala kang driver. So that can be a cost na wala kang kitain for that day, di ba? Or matenggal ng matagal yung truck mo. So you gotta help us as well. Tulungan tayo rito. It's your business as well. We're just helping you get a client. So that's what we're doing. And of course, yung mga LTO renewal, yearly yan, nire-rehisto yung truck. Di ba? So, and then, yung comprehensive insurance, na you gotta buy your own insurance for your truck. And then the marine inland, cost nyo po yan. No? Yun naman po yung insurance ng laman ng truck. Yan. So, kung tinatanong nyo, if you're asking what are the required trucks, for the meantime, these are what we require. Kasi ito yung pinakamalaki yung market. So, halos lahat ng companies, especially the manufacturing companies, ito yung need nila. Mas malaki yung pangangailangan. So, malaki yung chances na maging flexible yung truck mo. So, we are looking for 6-wheeler trucks na closed van. Tapos 14-footer, narrow siya. Ayan, and then 2016 and up ideally. Para mas madali pang, mas makataagal pa siya at least 10 years, no, for the LTFRB, because LTFRB only allows up to 15 years old na truck. 'Di ba? So kung 15 years old na yung truck mo, hindi ka na mare-renew ganon. So the newer the better. Yung ORCR, no, kahit surplus yan, basta yung ORCR 2020, di mukhang bago yan, ganun. No, so 2021, di mas maganda. Yun, preferably Isuzu kasi mas kabisado natin yung makina, di ba? Pag nasiraan, at least we have some people who know how to fix and do the maintenance pag ng makina, especially pag Isuzu. And then, yeah, surplus and remanufactured vehicle is okay. Di ba? You don't actually need to have brand new naman kasi hindi mo naman yan sasakyan, hindi naman ikaw sasakay dyan, driver mo lang. And then nagagasgas din talaga, di ba? Maintenance naman should be regular, pagkapalit ng gulong, pang ilalim minsan, yan, change oil. So we got to just continuously maintain that. And if you have some background in maintenance ng sasakyan, edi mas maganda, di ba? So you would know na kailangan regularly binabantayan yung sasakyan. And I've talked to a few investors and people who wants to partner na mayroon silang background sa truck, and sinasabi ko that would be an advantage, no, kung marunong ka. Yun. So let's talk about the package options that we have here in our program in PTB. So now, let's talk about package A. This is the full package. It ranges around 500,000 to 600,000. Depende kasi siya sa presyo ng truck sa dealer na mabibilihan natin, no? So, truck down payment, pambayad ng down payment, dyan makukunin. And then, yung purchase and financing assistance, we can help you to buy with our partner dealers. We have in QC and Caloocan, we have in Lipa, and hopefully we can add more partners in the future. Depende rin yan, kaya siya flexi, may asterisk yan. It depends on the other charges ng financing, like yung chattel mortgage, wala tayong fix niyan, depende sa provider. Sa comprehensive insurance, depende rin, no? Kasi minsan you can get from your own bank, you can get from sa mga kakilala ko, pero pag naglo-loan ka, usually kung saan sila accredited, doon din eh. 'Di ba? So minsan wala kang choice, doon ka lang talaga makakapagbili ng comprehensive insurance sa partner ng financing institution, no? So it ranges, your cash out will range from 500,000 to 600,000, and ilo-loan natin yung truck, no? So yung requirements ng truck, syempre depende, sasamahan namin kayo and we will refer you to the dealer, and then they will tell you kung ano yung mga requirements. Definitely it has to be the income requirements, dapat you have proof of income. Ayan. So ano pang kasama doon? Of course, the LTFRB franchise registration, we will do that for you. Yung markings ng LTFRB, yung mga for hire, ganyan, yung mga nakasulat sa gilid, yung tatak ng truck mo, ganun. And then, kasama rin yun. No? And then of course, our services, no? Part of the package, yung our services that we help you start the business, documentation and processing fees, we have staff that help you to process that, driver and helper hiring and management of them, diba? So we assist you with that. And then yung training ng driver and helper, no, we do assist you with that. And then 2 months working capital, ito yung pinaka majority ng pera mo dito mapupunta, 'di ba? About 52 days ng takbo ng truck mo, 'di ba? It goes to the salary, diesel, toll fees, some of the documentations like yung mga photocopy. Ayan, so kasama na yan dyan. And then billing and collection, we help you with that. Accounting, we assist you with that as well. And then bibili tayo ng trolley, no? And then there will be the required traffic clearance and permits, especially sa may Alabang area. We will be needing that, no, para bawas huli kung meron man. Yung first 2 months use of our garage, so as you all know, we transferred garage. Of course, nagre-renta kami dyan. So technically, we are part of the package. You will be able to use it for the first 2 months of your truck. And then the first 2 months ng barracks, water and electricity, we already solved that problem. Now, we are now constructing a barracks for our drivers and helpers. Diba? Sinama na rin natin yung sa package. And then after that, we'll just be billing you with the parking or with the garage and the barracks on a regular basis. Diba? Monthly kasi syempre, maganda, we provide that for our drivers and helpers kesa yung uuwi pa sila. Diba? Kasi halos weekly po ang uwian ng mga drivers and helpers dito. And then also, yung dispatching, scheduling, and monitoring assistance. Diba? We have staff na, of course, kami po nagpapasweldo na, of course, you gotta have some of your shares, especially dito. Diba? So, yun po. And then, of course, the administrative expenses. Again, our staff, our team are doing its job in the back end also to help you. So, yun po yung kasama sa package. Marami po talaga siya. And marami po nagsasabi, sobrang sulit. Diba? So, talagang halos wala po kaming kikitain dyan. Diba? It's just that, really, we are trying to make it easy for you, our partners. Diba? So, kikita po tayo pare-pareho pag tumatakbo na po yung truck nyo. Doon lang din po kami kikita. Okay, so, we also have package B. If you want to buy your own truck, yes, you can do it. No, if kung gusto meron kayong supplier or meron na kayong sariling truck, then yes, you can do it. Ang package po noon is 210,000. That's package B. No, so kami na po magre-register ng LTFRB. Kasama po lahat. Technically, everything that I discussed nung sa package A except the truck down payment, chattel mortgage, yun, yung pagbili ng truck, kayo na po yun. Yung yung comprehensive insurance, sa inyo naman po yun. So, tatanggalin lang natin yun, and then all the rest. Diba? Documentation and processing fees. We will still do all the services for you. Diba? Hiring and maintenance assistance sa mga drivers and helpers, training them, the 2 months working capital, yun yung pinakamahalaga, billing, collection and accounting assistance, kasama dyan, yung trolley na required, traffic clearance and permits, first 2 months sa garage ng truck, and then yung barracks nila kasama, first 2 months, and then dispatching and scheduling and monitoring kasi ginagawa naman namin yan, and then of course, the other admin expenses na kasama, yun yung package B natin, diba? So, kung gusto mo naman ikaw magpa-process ng LTFRB, pwede rin. Diba? If you wanna go through the bother of it, no? Kasi may gastos din naman po yun, pag-aasikaso ng mga dokumento, pagpunta doon, pabalik-balik, yan. So, if you want to do it by yourself, pwede rin naman, so that's package C. So, technically, everything in package B, we just remove all the LTFRB requirements. No? So, you can do that. No? So, yun po, alisin mo lang yun. So, magsisimula tayo sa documentation and processing fees na ginagamit natin, driver and helper hiring and maintenance. We can help you. We also manage them. Of course, sinabi ko kanina, priority mo pa rin na ikaw yung nag-hire ng mga drivers and helpers mo, 'di ba? But we can help you just in case talagang wala, 'di ba? So, that's our commitment to you as well. Right? Of course, training ng driver and helper, they are required to have those training. And then 2 months working capital, 'di ba? So, yun nga, salary, toll fees, diesel, some of the documents na kailangan. Yun. Tapos, billing collection and accounting assistance. Again, we do that for you. And then, again, trolley, yung mga required permits, traffic clearances. Then, the first 2 months use of our garage, the first 2 months use of the barracks, free na po yun. For your drivers and helpers, for your truck, syempre, dati sunod na siya. We have a caretaker na taking care of the trucks, nagbabantay doon. So, binabayaran din po natin yon, diba? And of course, dispatching, scheduling, monitoring assistance for your drivers and helpers for your truck. And of course, yung admin expenses natin. Yun nga, yung mga nagbabantay sa yung caretaker, nagbabantay sa parking, everything nun. So, sagot na po natin yan. Diba? So, just to summarize the packages, again, package A is the full package. It can range from 500 to 600,000. Nag-range siya because sa presyo ng truck and then sa presyo ng shuttle mortgage, comprehensive insurance, etc. Diba? So, you can buy your own truck as well. That's package B, 210,000 na lang to partner with us. And then package C, 185,000 na lang if you process your own LTFRB. Alright, so that's the summary of our packages. Those are the requirements, 'di ba? Truck prices ranges, depende talaga yan. So nagsisimula yan from 850,000 to more than 1 million yung surplus, 'di ba? So kung ika-cash mo yung truck, pwede rin para wala ka masyadong commitment and risk sa pagbabayad ng amortization. So pwede rin 'yon, 'di ba? So 210,000 for the whole package, and then kung magkano man yung truck, no? Kung 1 million yung truck for example, edi 1.2 million yun ang cash out mo. Right? So those are some of the things that I want to discuss for this video. If you have questions, just don't hesitate to message me in my Facebook page. That's DJ Dimaliuat. Go to my Facebook. Go to this link, facebook.com/DJ Dimaliuat official. So with that, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for my future videos. Turn on that notification bell and like this video. It helps this video grow and show to more other people who are interested in the trucking business. And of course, if you have questions, again, leave in the comment section or PM me. So with that, guys, thank you very much for watching. See you again in my next video.